It's super windy out today, and I just wanted to make a video because I'm moving here and probably have everything out in a day or two. I'm really thinking tomorrow I'll have everything out of here and I'll be moved. So I'll keep everybody updated. I'll try to make a video tomorrow evening, but if not, probably the next day after tomorrow. I'll be pretty much all day. I'm not taking too much, but I'll be all day getting stuff out of here that I am taking. So I've got to get all my pets too. So yeah, I just thought I would let everybody know what's going on and show how windy it is outside today. I lost power earlier for a very short time and it came back on, and because of the wind. And yeah, thank you for watching, and blessed be.